everyone, it's Stephanie here with a brand new review for the My Favorite Things Cheers to Your Birthday card kit. Toast to friends and family with this beautiful mix of celebratory sentiments, classic cocktails, and fun and flirty accents. This irresistible blend of sweet and sassy will ensure you have a just right option for everyone on your list. The new Raise a Glass Sentiment set features 9 different greeting options to decorate your card fronts. This quartet of glasses encompasses a range of traditional drink options. Each glass assembly includes a vessel and separate insert to create the impression of the beverage within. Unleash your inner bartender by lining up a row of drinks on your card front bar top. This quartet of glasses encompasses a range of fun and flirty drink options. Each glass assembly also includes a vessel and separate insert to create the impression of the beverage within. The delicious drink is just the beginning. We eat with our eyes, so the garnish that makes it pretty and adds some flavor as well is an essential component of your beverage presentation. The garnish die set includes fruity treats, a salty olive, and fresh mint sprigs to complete your delectable refreshments. Dress your celebratory drinks in their most festive finery in the form of an umbrella, sprinkles, a glass-sized banner, whipped topping, and of course, a candle. The drink decor die set turned a beverage into a party, one charming little accent at a time. A great assortment of cardstock is also included with this month's kit, including 1 sheet each of Smooth White, Wild Cherry, Orange Zest, Lemon Drop, Prickly Pear, Limelight, Field Day, Blue Beyond, Craft, Cement, Black Licorice, and Smooth White. We've also included a sheet of translucent vellum so you can make some frosty drinks on your card fronts. So let's go ahead and take one more quick look at everything that comes in the Cheers to Your Birthday card kit. You get the great selection of cardstock options, as well as the 4x6 Raise a Glass stamp set, and a quartet of fantastic die options, including barware basics, long stem barware, garnish, and drink decor. The newest free with 60 option releasing with this month's kit is the Cheers Dynamics. Simple and effective, this petite word die is an essential complement to the cocktail-themed products in your stash. And last but not least, available for purchase separately is the In Good Hands Dynamics. A drink on a table is a good thing, but a drink in hand is when the magic happens. This innovative die set features a pair of hands in 2 sizes and an assortment of clothing and accessory options to dress up your design. We hope you enjoyed this quick look at all of the products included in the new Cheers to Your Birthday card kit. This kit, as well as the individual components, will be available at My Favorite Things on July 26th at 10 a.m. Eastern. As always, I appreciate you being here for another video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.